Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. If you're new here, I use Microsoft Office shapes to create art. I also give you tips on presentations and reports and using Word. Today I'm going to show you how to create an Eclipse title page or slide in PowerPoint. I'll make two of them. So let's begin. I'm going to just delete these. I'm going to go into Insert, Shapes, and just choose a rectangle. We want to cover the first slide. And now we go into Shape Fill, Gradient, and choose the center. I'm going to click on the icon here. You can also right click to get Format Shape. Go into Fill. We have the gradient already selected. Now we're going to set our colors. Let's set a black one here, fairly black. And we're going to do another, going to add another black one here. Now we got a yellow. Now we're going to add a orange one. And it's going to be a brown. Okay. Just going to move these over. Add one more here. It's going to be a black. And then another black. Okay, so now it's just a matter of moving these sliders to the position that we want. So we have radial selected here, by the way. And we do have the center. Closer. Like so. Like so. This orange one. Okay, and then this would be a little bit more. This one will bring in all right. That looks good. Now I'm going to go to Shape Effects. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to select the bevel for this. And then I'm going to go into here, the middle icon. Select the 3D format. And make this, oh, I don't know. Let's make it 20. And this one here, as you can see, it's changing here. Not too much. Bring it down a little bit. Let's say 9.5 points for the height. I think for this thing here, I'm just going to move it out more. Just a little bit so it'll sharpen it. Like so. And then this one I'm just going to move out a little bit as well. That's better. You can experiment with all of these sliders and get it how you like it, but that's just the fundamentals of it. I'm going to also put a transition, a morph on there. Then I'm going to copy this, duplicate slide, and then I'm going to also make a new slide. Put the new slide here, and I'm just going to delete this here. I'm just going to say welcome, just so the transition, you can see how the transitions work. Shape format, shape fill, no fill. Okay, and then this, I'm just going to change it to that. Word style art, and then I'm going to change this to about 100, like so. Let's say for the fill, solid fill, make it black. I'm going to go shape format. You got to go here to text effects, glow. Center that a little bit. Okay. So we got our transition. And for this second slide, we're going to change it. I'm going to select it. And I'm going to go to the direction area. I'm going to select it here. You can put your text here. It's easier to read. You could also make this less pronounced with the brightness if you wanted to, so you have more black space here to write. But just to quickly show you how it's running, I'm going to go here, and so that's how it's going to. And that's it. Thanks for watching.